Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you all are doing great. Hope you all are having an amazing time. Hope your weekend is going great. Guys, right now I am at the waterfall, and guys, I don't even know how I got myself here. It took like forever to get here, and like at some point I was like looking back to make sure make sure that the people in the bus are humans. That was kind of very funny. So guys, like now I will be exploring this place, like checking this place out. Like so far, so this place is just a very beautiful place, guys. I haven't been like inside to know what is going on. I already got my ticket, and I cannot do this all alone, guys. You all know that. So right now I will be going down, like walking around, seeing what is going here. And guys, let's do this together. You all know how we do it. See you all probably in the middle or the end. Catch ya. Bye. All right, guys. So here we go. This is really a very lovely place. Alright guys, so here we go. You all can see that amazing view. Yani gördüm. All right guys, so I will be showing you all, like there are restaurants at the waterfall, and it's kind of very beautiful, like to sit out there, watch the waterfall and eat by the waterfall side. So just a very lovely place. So I am taking you guys down there. Guys, what do you think about this view? This is just mesmerizing. Don't you think so? Hello. All right, so guys, so hello. So I am right here now. So this is what it looks like to be at the restaurant, and just it's so peaceful out here, guys. I won't lie to you about that. This is so beautiful. Like, so here we go. Alright guys, it's ice cream time, so I am trying to grab me ice cream. Oh,
Ice cream. Where's that ice cream? Would you like sauce?
no, just thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, well guys, also aside from the restaurants, they have places that sell things. This is Quran and gifts and all of that. Alright guys, I'm still enjoying my ice cream. You can also play game here. All right, guys. right, guys, so it was actually fun, like, you know, exploring here, moving around and all that. I am still outside, but like any moment from now I will be leaving. All right, guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for everything. And like I said before, if you have not subscribed, please smash that subscribe button, and guys, please share me out. I definitely will I will appreciate that. See you guys. Bye. It's actually drizzling and guys, I am wearing this. It's all right. Bye.